After logging into the PowerAdSpy dashboard, click on the Quora icon on the left to explore the latest Quora ads. Right at the top of your screen, you'll see the Search By options. Here, you can filter ads by specific criteria like text and image, object and image, or even celebrity and image. Next, you'll find the Filter option, which allows you to refine your search based on various factors: calls to action, country, ad type, and language. Moving on, let's navigate to the Lander Properties section. This feature lets you search for ads from different affiliate networks, e-commerce platforms, funnels, or marketing platforms. Now, at the top, you'll see the search bar. Tap it, and you can search by domain, advertiser, or keywords. For example, let's search SBI and filter by ad type, selecting text ads. Once you hit the search button, you'll see a variety of ads related to your chosen keyword. To get more details, click Show Analytics. Here, you'll find insights like the ad's running days, first and last seen dates, ad language, and domain registration date. Lastly, scroll down to view the targeted countries for your selected ads.